Assalamu alaikum students, this is Ms. Rabia and today we are going to discuss the topic the expansion and decline of Mughal Empire. How did Emperor Jahangir rule the Mughal Empire? The real name of Jahangir was Salim. When he succeeded the Mughal throne, he took the title Jahangir, World Conqueror. He mastered Arabic, Persian and Turkish language at a very young age. He wrote his memoirs in Tuske Jahangir, which recorded interesting incidents and the places he travelled. Tuske Jahangir, also called as Jahangir Nama, and Tuske Jahangir is written in a Persian and follows the tradition of his grandfather Babur, who had written the Babur Nama. Jahangir went a step further, and besides the history of his reign, he includes all details like his reflection on art, politics, and also information about his family. He was just a fair ruler. He had set up a chain of justice for his people so they could approach him at any time to seek justice. That chain was 80 feet long and had 60 bells on it. When an aggrieved person mean in Urdu you can say गमज़दा or the one जिस पर बहुत जुल्म किया जा रहा हो. So when that aggrieved person shook the chain, the noise from the bells attracted the attention of the officials and the king himself, and they instantly came to know that someone had been wronged and something is going wrong with that person. He had ordered his official to respond to the aggrieved without any delay. This is the way how he used to give justice to his people. Power of his wife Noor Jahan. Noor Jahan was his favorite queen. As a woman, Noor Jahan wielded unusual power in the Mughal Empire. She quickly established members of her family in important positions. She was physically and mentally too strong and was even known to hunt the tigers. Noor Jahan remained as the power behind the throne. Basically, after her wedding to Emperor Jahangir, Noor Jahan's rise to power was swift. A strong and well-educated woman who enjoyed the absolute confidence of her husband. Noor Jahan was the most powerful and influential woman at court during a period when the Mughal Empire was at the peak of its power, more decisive and proactive than her husband, and she is considered by the historians to have been the real power behind the throne even for more than 15 years. After the death of Jahangir, his son Shah Jahan succeeded his empire. He acted swiftly to establish his complete authority in India. He is widely considered one of the greatest Mughal emperors. Under his reign, the Mughal Empire reached the peak of its glory. Although an able military commander, Shah Jahan is best remembered for his architectural achievement as well. His reign was the golden age of Mughal architecture. Shah Jahan commissioned or built many monuments, the best known of which is the Taj Mahal in Agra, which he built for his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. He also ordered the construction of new throne, the Peacock Throne, for the imperial place in Agra. He was warrior leader and extended the Mughal Empire to southern India, taking over the area known as Deccan. Religious policy. Under the rule of Shah Jahan, religious policy was much more traditional, mostly people influenced by Christianity. This was seen by Shah Jahan as a threat to the stability of his empire, so he forbade the construction of new churches. Architecture. He encouraged the most lavish style of decoration using beautiful colorful tiles, Islamic calligraphy and jewels studded into the walls of palaces and mosques. He also introduced the use of white marbles in the building. Nowadays, in many historical buildings, we can see the decoration of Shah Jahan's time. One example we can see here the decoration at the Wazir Mosque in Lahore that was built during the reign of Shah Jahan, and we can see that kind of work in many historical buildings. Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz was the queen of Shah Jahan and she was the Noor Jahan's niece. She was not politically ambitious. Shah Jahan took her with him on all his travels and business, and so, in a way, she had an influence on his rule. His relationship with Mumtaz Mahal has been heavily adopted into Indian art, literature, and cinemas as well. Taj Mahal, the story behind the Taj Mahal is basically Taj Mahal described as one of the wonders of the world. The stunning 17th century white marble Taj Mahal was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, who died in childbirth. The conventional story behind it Shah Jahan's pure love for Mumtaz.